Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to cook the best bacon. Hands down, the best method of cooking bacon. If you disagree, leave a comment. Let's get going. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a cookie sheet with a wire rack to set inside, and you're going to get your oven going. So turn it on, bake. I like doing 400 degrees. Let's open our bacon and I'll show you the process. It's really important. Just go ahead and lay the bacon on the wire rack. They can be slightly touching each other. The wire rack is, in my opinion, the key tool for this to work out. You notice how we're laying the bacon flat on the wire rack? Normally when you cook bacon, you throw it into a pan. Even if you did it straight on the cookie sheet, as it's starting to sit in its own grease, it will curl up. The rack, as it heats, before the bacon gets a chance to start to shrivel up, it kind of sears to the individual little wires making up the rack. And that's the magic to holding the bacon in this stretched out position for it to give you a perfect cook. And when it's stretched out evenly, it's getting even application of the heat across the bacon. And wait till you see how perfect this bacon is. Let's get this guy in the oven. Set timer for 10 minutes. So cook times are going to vary oven to oven. You can easily have a 10-degree or more difference on the same setting between one model and the next. Which rack you have it on. I like to position the rack roughly in the middle. I like to start the timeout at 10 minutes and then check it. Let's see what we got here. Looks like it's going to need about another 3 or 4 minutes. But there's nothing worse than going past your level of crispiness. I'm going to set this up. Check it in on 2 minutes. All right, let's give her another check. It's coming along. Another couple minutes, I think we'll be there. Okay, so I think we're ready. Let's check this out. So as you can see, the bacon will still shrink up, but it stays flat because there's enough grab from that wire rack. And naturally, you know, everybody likes bacon at a different consistency. Doesn't that look good? Sure smells good. Be careful when you're taking these trays out of the oven, as the rendered fat from the cooking will fall into the bottom of the tray there. And you can bet I'm going to be collecting that and using it as a cooking fat. Let's give one of these guys a try. It's going to be a little hot, but oh, it tastes so good. You know, like I said, this is by far the best way to cook bacon, but I totally respect your right to be wrong. Thanks for watching.